Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm reviewing this DIY. So if you guys remember, if you do watch my videos, you can remember I converted this from a shirt to a skirt. So I did enjoy this DIY. I did love it. So if you want to go ahead and do something like this, all you have to keep in mind is to use a thick cotton, like a good materials, because you don't want your project to end up looking flimsy. So make sure you use a good material. Like as you can see here, I did use a thick cotton, so you don't want your DIY or the out come to be looking flimsy, to look flimsy, sorry. So make sure you use a good material. So I just used the scissors, I did cut this open. That was basically all I did. So I usually pair this with a belt and mostly heels. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, because there's nothing really much, and because of the material, it's not like there's any cut or something like that. It's still just basically same, but I wanted to just remind you guys of this DIY so that you can get ahead and try things with your old clothes, and just don't be scared, it always works out. So I'm going to show you guys how I do dress up with this, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and follow me, sorry, and like and share all of those things. Just do that. All right, so let's just try it on.